Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing, where you like, subscribe, and share for a one-of-a-kind, company-made computer software trading probability, price, trading alert, technical analysis, and company philosophy, as I'm your most trusted source for blockchain technology and cryptocurrency breaking news and coin updates here on YouTube and in the cryptocurrency sphere, as old Vincenzo has brought back truth and, most importantly, integrity back into the trading sphere, right? And you can see here's my Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing on Telegram. Join me there, right? And then every day we got our Bitcoin technical analysis in the morning that we put out, and it's Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing Twitter. We have 82 people here. I should have many more followers here. I want to get this to 100 followers. I want this to get to 100 followers before Wednesday. So 18 people out there, let's make this happen. And you can see we do daily Bitcoin technical analysis. And you can see yesterday's video with Dogecoin Millionaire, Crypto Insider posted a nice video, right? Got 6 views on it so far. And then our Bitcoin daily technical analysis, uptrending support at 23,069 must hold. Failure to do so will drive bears will drive price down. Bear flag, major support, 21,069. And you can see that, right? And you can see we do pretty good on views, 35 views, 5 views, right, on our videos that we post on here, right? 31 views, right? 32. We average about 30 views a video on here. So join me at Vincenzo'S Gold Crypto Investing Twitter. And I'm going to continue to do daily technical analysis, so it's a one-stop shop. You can just click there real quick, right? And then you can just see the technical analysis on what you need to look at on a one quick thing, and a quick little read on a paragraph, and you'll be up to date on the Bitcoin technical analysis. Every day in the morning, that tweet will go out, and you don't want to miss those tweets because they're very important, and they'll help you to predict the market, right? But you can still see right here Bitcoin, and here's the bear flag I was talking about. If we zoom out to the 3-hour time frame, you can see this is the bear flag, right? Let's zoom out a little bit more. That's as far as we're going to zoom out right now. You can see the bear flag that I was talking about. Ooh, what's going on with that? We need to get our beautiful color back. And then we need to make our industry exclusive pointing tool bigger. And then we got to delete it because it's just the way it has to be. So you can see this is the bear flag. This is your flagpole from the top of the last bear flag up there, the smaller one. There's your big flagpole. And now your lower support, uptrending support, 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 uptrending resistance, 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 and resistance. That is a bear flag right there. And this they do every now and then break to the upside on a big fake out before they head to the downside. But I think this will eventually, after this pattern concludes, this bear flag is going, in my opinion, to break down. And it's going to hit that $13,336 target that I had since last year. And then from this range of 13,000 to the 11,000, there could be a substantial bounce, right? You could come down to this 11,000, 12,000 mark, and then have a big relief rally all the way back up to around 20,000, this major 2019 all-time high that we're struggling to stay on top of right now. But that would be almost a 100% move from down here. There's a lot of buyers stacked down there, and old Vincenzo will be buying Bitcoin at 11,000, 10,000 and riding that pump up, right? I do think that there will be a substantial bounce. Not saying the bear market would be over then. Could it be? Maybe, possibly. But I think at the very least, when we break down and fulfill this bear flag, there's going to be a major move up, because that will also fulfill our mountain double top macro pattern, which is a very bearish macro pattern, one of the bearish formations you can get in the monthly macro time frame, and that would fulfill that targeted move. And that, if it takes another month or two to get down here, that would be almost 13 or 10, 12 months in the making to fulfill that target. And you better believe there's going to be a snapback there after all the selling to get you down there. I think there would be a big bounce back. So this is a Vincenzo watch down here. If we get to 10 or 12,000, for a big, big, big bounce to take place there, right? That's what's going on in the Bitcoin price. If we look at XRP, XRP is the same thing, right? There's going to be a big bounce somewhere in XRP. I mean a big bounce, right? And we're almost down to that 20-cent target from this Mexico triangle up there. But I think a big time bounce could happen when you get down near the bottom part, the top part of this orange support zone, right around the 20 cents. There could be a nice, because I think you're coming down to this 18 to 20 cents. That's why we've had that target for quite some time. But once you get near the top part of this, let's pull out my industry exclusive purchasing tool. When you get into the, get that over here. When you get down into this major mean of the volume down here, between 20, 25 cents and down here to our target, I think there could be a big bounce as soon as you get down into this supply zone. Down here about 16, 15, 17, 18 cents. I think there could be a big bounce from down here all the way back up to major upper resistance at about 49 cents. So I am watching for a big bounce down there, but we still got much room to go to the downside, and that's not saying the bear market would be over. But I could see a way, unless you do it now and you come way up and then come down, but I think as you keep working your way down, this 11 cent area, when you tag this 11 cents, 10, 11, 12 cent region right here where this big red line is, that's a spot for a major bounce in XRP. And anywhere in this orange support zone, as you know, that's my accumulation zone. And then my ultimate accumulation zone is between 5 cents and 12 cents, but from 10 cents to 20 cents, that is where you start accumulating, and at a regular basis. Anytime you're into this orange support zone, aka last line of defense to the shit house, you start your accumulation. And then if you dip down into this overlap area, about 13 cents down to about 10 cents, you start accumulating even more. And then anywhere in this red zone, that's your ultimate accumulation zone. Anywhere from the 4 cents all the way up to the 12 or 13 cents. That's maximum accumulation. And I don't think you're going to spend a lot of time down there, but you're going to spend enough time to accumulate a lot of XRP. And that'll be a time that if you're buying between 4 cents and 13 cents, if the price does get down there, you could 4, 5, 600% X in just a matter of weeks down there. And the same thing to a lesser extent in the beginning of your accumulation zone in the orange support zone, right? I think those are great areas to accumulate XRP. They load your bags up. If you bought all up in here and you've been averaging up and you've been a long time hodler, but you average a lot in there, back there, right here, and over there, this is an area where you really want to average down now your position. Anywhere in this orange and red support boxes, the last line of defense, and the shit house, you want to do maximum accumulation in red. You've been asking for these, and you want to do starting your accumulation in orange, right? And I think that's a great spot to start accumulating your XRP. And for short-term technical analysis in the micro view, this 37 cents has been a thorn in our side, but you're still hanging on the 200-day moving average. But I have to emphasize that with a but. If you do not break over this and sustain it, like here, you broke it but flush right back down, and you eventually break, because volume's going to come back in, most likely this evening when the futures market opens, but it usually likes to start dancing before then. If you break this 200-day moving average in the hour time frame, 2 hour or 3 hour, you're going to come all the way back down to this white supply zone, right? If you can get on top of this, like we've been talking about ad nauseum for weeks, you can make a nice run up to that 37 to 50 cent, or the 47 to 50 cent range, but you've got to get on top of this white support zone first. And right now, it's just not happening. You keep getting rejected by it, but that's what you got to watch out for today. And your micro pattern is trying to break this to come up in the short term, and in your macro pattern down here is your maximum accumulation zone, right? Down there in the orange support zone like we were just talking about. Like, subscribe, and share. We got breaking XRP news that we're going to get into in the next video. Stick around. Use my affiliate links down below. If you do shopping on Amazon, use my partner or my affiliate link down there to do all your shopping. Just click my link. If you don't want to buy what's in my link, just go do about your daily shopping, and it helps support the channel, and I greatly appreciate it. Also, use my Bitget partner link down below, and we are working with Bitget for my international audience to give you another trading option on a phenomenal website, trading site. Like, subscribe, and share pieces and love. Thank you to members of Jabroni Killers.